What's up, late night people? How are you doing? My name is Indira Ganga. If you're new to the channel, welcome and subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome home and give this video a like. Today, Oxford Street, by the evening, we're trying to look for snacks and drinks. And when I say drink, I mean soft drinks because I am safe. Please, and my parents watch this channel, so let's go. Madina Denta, Dodo, Sekane. Hi, how are you? How much for plantain? Okay, I'll take one.
No, two now. Why do you want one?
Let her pack them differently.
Okay.
Pack for her another one. No, don't put it in a jwala. Just give me. Thank you. We've gotten plantain. Woo. It's hot. It's really hot. But it's delicious. This is the first meal I ever ate when I came to Ghana. Guys, look at who we bumped into. So Vanessa said she knows her. This is Vanessa and bam! Let me tell you, I'm Kenyan. Okay. So I always knew I would come. Right. I watched a lot of your videes because she was among the first people to do the relocation videos and stuff. Nice to meet you.
It's really nice to meet you, Jasmine. Oh my God, can you imagine? I'm Vanessa. Yes.
My name is Ondiro. Ondiro. Yeah. Okay, so we want to try madafu as it's popularly known in Swahili. What do you call it here?
It's coconut water.
In Swahili we call it madafu.
Madafu.
You finished yours for real?
Yeah, it's very small. It's not much. You won't tell me what you want.
So what is it? What do you have? What is it? I don't know it.
Both fruits, sausage, fish pie.
Oh, this is fish. Spinach.
Spring roll.
So it's onions.
There are veggies.
And then this one? This one looks like mandazi. Okay, which one are you taking?
Both fruits.
Okay. So we can take something different each. And then you tell me. I want to try the bofro and I want to try this. And then do you have the vanilla choco? Do you have choco? Do you have vanilla?
It has yogurt.
Okay, give me this first. This and the bofro. How much? Is it yogurt or it's ice? It's just milk.
It's vanilla now.
Is it vanilla?
No, it's not vanilla. They are similar. It's milk. Okay.
No, give me the other one. Give me the choco one. Let me try choco. Okay. So, let's have the choco. Your beards look good.
Okay,
Show them his beard. Show them a close-up of the beard. That's what's up. Guys. Today is not a good day. Closed. We're about to fall and die, and people will think we have COVID, but we're just hungry because we can't find food. Anyway, the search continues. Pray for us. We hope this is it.
No, not for me.
So what do you have? What
It's
food do
food.
you have?
And okra stew. Then what else? Yeah, fufu.
Yam.
Or the yam chips. Are this?
Let's take the yam and the red fish. Is it red fish?
Are they potatoes?
Cassava fish.
Are these potato fries or they're yam?
Fried.
Potato.
This one is only.
Potatoes. Yes, finally I get to eat my potato chips. We're going to sit
Backland.
and have some food.
You are doing something.
You want me?
You like the red
She's
pepper?
been wailing that I brought
red
her in a
pepper.
place that
Yes,
there's no
please.
food.
The red pepper.
Put it on the side, please. Put the pepper on the side.
They know how to do it. They put it on the side. Don't put it inside on top of it.
Because I will die. Literally. I will.
But the pepper is the spice of it.
No, my body is just taking slightly longer to acclimatize to the paper. Thank you.
Thank you. So our food is finally here. Our potato and fish. I'm about to try it out and see
So
how amazing this
what is
is.
this?
This is
Black
shito, black
Shito.
pepper, yes.
And the red pepper.
And the red pepper.
hot one.
Potatoes
Hot one.
and then fish.
Shito is amazing. I think this black pepper is so nice. It's made with fish particles and black pepper, and I think it's fried.
Oh, that's it. There was a day I was like, what's this fishy taste in the food?
So the library is made with fish particles, pepper, and some spices.
So we had been given some cassava to try. Vanessa, you know where I come from, you cannot wash hands before everyone is done eating, because that means I have to stop eating.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Sorry, I didn't realize that. Sorry.
No, it's okay. I'm full. So
No, you have to finish it. You
we've
can't
been
leave it.
given some cassava to try, so we want to try. Vanessa is in vitro.
Yeah, I think it's because it's the first time I'm tasting it, so. But she's had it before, so it's quite different for her.
Remember eating boiled cassava?
No, that's the fufu.
This is your first time, or maybe that's because that's why I'm excited, because at
Yeah.
least my tongue knows it. Guys, the total price is 12 cedis. Also, note that we drank water and they had to go and buy the water. So it means it was about 8 cedis and then the water has bumped up the price. I'm not a big fan of pepper, but I would still come back here. The pepper is great. It's a clean place. It's a decent place. So on to the next. Guys, so we want to give it a go. This is the coconut tiger with dates. We want to see how it tastes. Vanessa says it tastes great, so let's try it.
It tastes amazing, actually. I think I can drink 10 cups. You don't like it? I like the fresh coconut taste of it.
I think my boss is always betraying me.
I like it, though. I like it a lot.
You want this?
Yeah. No, but my belly will be full.
No, have it.
I want to drink the other two.
I know, but you like it. There's
Then-
no
then
point
which-
of throwing it away.
How will I put the other one?
Jojo Tang.
No.
Sis, In heaven, God gives us new bodies.
You
get your flat tummy in heaven.
And you have your own flat tummy. You see enemy of progress. Let's give him the cap.
My tummy is not flat. I just know how to suck it in.
I mean, I don't know how to suck tummy. If my friends in Nigeria were going out and were taking photos, they say, "What is good?" I was like, "I don't know how to suck it. Leave me alone."
So Vanessa is gonna finish this because hi though the customers have refused.
Oh my god.
Get your friend like Vanessa. Look at how she's butchering it. Are you kidding me? You like it?
It's amazing. I like fresh stuff like this. If you want fresh coconut, I can taste the fresh coconut. I don't know why maybe I'm used to drinking. You know, I actually drink a lot of smoothies.
Also
Every morning.
coconut water because of the ocean and stuff. For me it's an acquired taste.
I'll do the next one.
So this is baobab, tiger nut with dates, and baobab has 6 times the vitamin C in orange. As someone who got COVID and is looking to pump her body with vitamin C,
I can't breathe.
Guys, don't take me anywhere because my tongue is not as exposed.
Drink it now.
And now onto my favorite, pineapple with the ginger. I love this one, but I also love it.
It's amazing.
That's what I'm talking about. I love it. I love it. Hi, how are you? How much for the egg? You have the pepper that they mix it with.
No, this is not. That's what they're trying to make. You see, they put something on the skin of the egg.
Okay. Delicious, by the way.
Pepper with your hand. You're touching it with your hand. Ah. Unless you look for water to wash it. If you put that hand in your eye,
Now I'm terrified.
I'm going to pick it out with your teeth.
So we've been unable to get wache. We are sad. We are full, but we are sad. We've been able to get fufu. We have been unable to get fufu and light soup. We are sad, but we enjoyed banku. It was my second time eating banku, so I enjoyed it. And this is not the end. If you like such videos, let us know. We'll always find a way of coming back to the streets and shooting. So thank you. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Share with a friend, guys. Go 100K by the end of the year. I believe in you. I believe in you. I'll see you in the next video.